Whether you are a salaried person or running your own business, we all share one reality: your monthly income arrives like a turtle, but leaves like a race car. For most people, before the first week of the month is even over, a massive amount of their hard-earned money is already gone. Surviving until the next month becomes a high-stress waiting time. If you feel like your bank account is constantly hitting zero faster than it should be, you aren't alone. It's a thing that catches millions. But building financial freedom doesn't mean you have to stop enjoying your life. It just means you need a plan to manage the income. To break this cycle, you don't need an accounting degree. You just need a simple, stress-free plan to divide your income the moment it hits your account. First, take 10% right off the top and put into an emergency fund or basic savings. This is your financial shield. Next, 20% went straight into investments. In our last video, we broke down how starting early gives you a time advantage through the power of compounding. If you missed that video, make sure to check it out on our channel right after this. Now for the heavy lifting: 50% of your income goes to your essentials, your rent, bills, groceries, and basic survival needs. If you follow this plan, a beautiful thing happens. You are left with 20% of your cash that is your money. That final 20% is totally yours to use with. Buy the clothes you want, dine out at your favorite restaurants, or spend it on your hobbies. The mistake most people make is they try to restrict themselves so hard that they eventually burn out and quit saving totally. This layout isn't a challenge, it's an ideal, normal strategy designed to secure your future while letting you live in the present. By planning your cash this way, your future is automatically growing in the background, your bills are completely paid, and you can actually enjoy your money without that sense of financial stop. Managing your money doesn't have to be hard to be effective. It's all about taking control before your bills take control of your income. What does your current monthly plan look like? Drop your strategy in the comments below. If you want to master your personal finance in the easiest, most useful way possible, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.